looking once again for Mbappe, trying to watch every move of his feet. It's a lovely pick out for Trezeguet. Nusi, overlap coming from Taylor. And Christie to take the corner. It's been a good period for Celtic, and Cham hits it. Met it pretty well. It took a touch on its way over. Celtic will have another corner.
Well, you see already, you know, a few minutes of some possession, some good play.
This is where they can be so dangerous. It's whipped in by Mbappe, and Icardi was the man looking to get on the end of it, and you expected him to make a clean contact on that.
He wasn't far away, Rory, was he? You see the speed that PSG...
Impossible for him to get a look in when he was here. Julian now turns and faces up to Mbappe. Nusi, Edouard, clever to leave that one, and he draws the foul from Neymar, who's still unhappy that I think he didn't get the free kick about 30 seconds previous to that.
I think the reaction from the PSG players...
Edouard, straight into the wall again, second shows Neymar at full tilt, but it's excellent tracking back from Olivier and Cham, and it's a little petulant kick out from Neymar on beat on. Should have thought in a competitive...
comfortably, and that's where the first goal came.